Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And a new radio is coming out, and it's the HanRongDa. If you, I don't know if I pronounced that right, but a couple of months ago I did a review of one of their radios. This is a HRD-747, and it's on SWLING. And I asked for permission to show you this, and it was given permission. So here it is right here. It comes from this article came from this person here, and he says, I received a prototype of the HRD-747 radio when it's asked for suggestions. And here are some of the major features. It's more like a handheld wideband receiver. So I think it's like an SDR in a box with a display. 300 to 520 megahertz, 30 to 300 megahertz, airband, FM, shortwave, medium wave, upper and lower sideband, wide FM, narrow FM, and AM. So this thing does almost everything. Like I say, it does sound like an SDR installed in a box, based on a DSP chip, single sideband, multiple tuning, ATS, equipped with tuning knob, bandwidth selectable, squelch level can be adjusted, 1,000 memory presets, and it's powered by a BLC-5C cell phone battery, which a lot of these newer radios are using these batteries. I don't particularly like them, but they're using them, and they're readily available, although, man, you might find them at a truck stop because they're widely used in cell phones. So let's go back up here. Looks pretty nice. Down here he has some more pictures. There's a side view. Looks pretty thick. There's a back and side. There's a back. It's got a belt clip. There's a close-up of the display. And it's got orange backlight, which I like or amber. I like the amber backlights. There's the full view again. There's the top. Another close-up. Okay, now what did he say? Said, as far as I know, this little Jim will hit the Chinese market in April, the Chinese market. So this is another interesting, like I say, I bought one of their radios, and it wasn't a bad little radio. It wasn't too expensive. So this one is a wideband receiver. This is going to be interesting. Thanks to Thomas for allowing me to show you this. Again, his website is swling.com, and he does lots of reviews. Now he gets these from his viewers, and he posts them, and then he adds things to them. Does a great job. If I go back to the home page, I'll just scan real quick. This is talking about shortages in getting new ham radios, and one of the reasons why. This is where somebody is using their brand new radio while they're shut down in Texas. It's the ICOM 705. I hope to do a show with Kevin, which we did some shows with Rob and Kevin and Bob. He has a 705, and it looks pretty interesting. So anyway, check out, look at all these articles here. Just tons of articles. Check out this web page. Check out that article. Hopefully we'll see that radio in the not too distant future. Have a great day. Bye-bye.